can complete a piece of work in 12 days and B is 60% more efficient than A, the number of days that B will take to complete the same work is. See, this problem is related to the efficiency. See here, B is 60% more efficient than A. If A is 100% efficient, then B will be 160% efficient because B is 60% more than A. So therefore 160%. So what is the efficiency ratio? That is 160 by 100, that is 16 by 10. 16 by 10 means 8 by 5. So efficiency is 8 by 5. Then how about the time period? Time period is inversely proportional to the efficiency. Then time period will be 5 by 8 of the original time, that is 12 days. So 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, that is 15 by 2, which is equal to 7.5. Option B is the right answer. See here, 60% more efficient. You consider A as 100% efficient. Then B will be 60% more efficient than A. Then he will be 160%. Okay. Always you have to consider A as 100%. Then based on that we are going to compare whether it is 60% more efficient or less efficient. Okay. So always you have to consider A as 100%. So here B is 60% more, then it will be 160%. So therefore the efficiency ratio will be 160 by 100, that is 8 by 5. If it is 8 by 5, then time period will be inversely proportional to the efficiency, then it will be 5 by 8 of 12, that is equal to 15 by 2, that is 7.5. Option B is the right answer. See here, problem number 34. A is 50% as efficient as B. C does half of the work done by A and B. If C alone does the work in 20 days, then A, B and C together can do the work in how many days? See, A, B, C, this type of problem is frequently asking in your PO exam. So please concentrate properly. If C alone does the work in 20 days, okay, then A, B and C together can do the work in how many days? See here, they have given 3 conditions. The first condition is A is 50% efficient as B. Next, C does half of the work done by A and B. Means the time taken by C is double the time taken by A and B, or A and B is going to take the time half of the time which is taken by C, because C is 50% efficient than A and B, then obviously A and B has to take 50% less time than C. And here C is equal to 20 days, then A and B take 10 days, because half of C that is equal to 20 by 2, that is equal to 10 days. So A and B is going to take 10 days. Next, see here, A and B is 10 days, C is equal to 20 days. Now, A, B and C together can do the work in how many days? See guys, here no need to calculate the individual value of A or individual value of B. Just to misguide you people, they have given this data 50% efficient than B. Whatever may be the efficiency of A, B, whatever may be the relationship between A and B, but A and B all together they are taking 10 days. Only the thing is C has to include in the group. So no need to calculate the individual values of A and B. Okay. So because A and B all together we know, only thing is we have to take the help of the C. So if all of them works together, A and B they take 10 days, C they take 20 days. Then what is the LCM? 20 is the LCM. 21 times 10, 2 times. So if all of them works together, then 20 divided by 2 plus 1, that is equal to 20 divided by 3, that is 3 6 are 18, 2 remainder 6 2 by 3. So answer is 6 2 by 3. Option B is the right answer, because to calculate A, B and C, already we know A and B, only thing is we have to add C. In that case, no need to calculate the individual values of A and B. So here option B is the right answer. Problem number 35, the last variety related to wages. A alone can do a piece of work in 8 days, while B alone can do it in 10 days. If they together complete this work and get rupees 900 as their remuneration, find the shares of both of the persons. See here, always one thing you have to remember while solving the problem related to wages or while fixing the wages is always calculated. The wages is always calculated on efficiency, not on the time taken. The wages is always calculated on the efficiency. If you are a very good efficient person, then you are going to get a good remuneration. If you are less efficient, then you are going to get less remuneration. Okay, but A is to B, what is the ratio of time taken? A is to B, 8 days is to 10 days, that is 4:5. So A is to B, 4:5, that is time taken, Then how about the efficiency? Efficiency is inversely proportional to the time taken, therefore A is to B, the efficiency will be 5:4. So this is the efficiency, and always the wages is calculated based on their efficiency. So the wages rupees 900 has to be divided in the ratio 5:4. So 5 plus 4, that is 9. So 5 plus 4, that is 9, into 5 if you do, you are going to get the value of A, and 900 divided by 5 plus 4 into 4 if you do, then you are going to get the value of B. So 900 by 9 into 5, which is equal to 500. Next, 900 by 9 into 4 if you do, which is equal to 400. So your answer is 500 and 400. Option B is the right answer. Always you have to remember, guys, the wages has to be calculated, or wages has to be identified based on the efficiency only, not based on the time taken. It has to be calculated based on the efficiency. But here in the question they have given the time taken, that is 8:10. So the ratio of time taken is 4:5, but efficiency is always inversely proportional to the time. So 4:5 is the ratio of time, then efficiency will be 5:4. Efficiency will be 5:4. So 900 has to be divided in the ratio 5:4. So after dividing, we got A as 500 and B as 400. Problem number 36. A alone can do a piece of work in 3 days. B alone can do the same work in 2 days. If they work together to complete the work, their total wages is fixed rupees 225. Find the share of A. See here, A is to B. So that is 3:2. That is the time. Then how about the efficiency? Efficiency is inversely proportional to the time, because to calculate the amount we have to calculate based on the efficiency only. So efficiency will be 2:3. Efficiency will be 2:3. So 225 we have to divide in the ratio 2:3. So 2 plus 3, that is 5 into 2 you have to do to calculate the value of A. So 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25. So 45 into 2, that is equal to 90. Therefore option A is the right answer. Option A is the right answer. Very simple. With the help of efficiency you can calculate easily. Problem number 37. A person can do a piece of work in 26 days and another person can do the same work in 39 days. If they work together, then by what percent the wages of first person is more than the wages of second person? See here, time taken of A and B, that is 26:39. This is time taken, but efficiency, that is 39:26. Efficiency is 39 is to 26 because both are inversely proportional to each other. But now they are asking us what percent the wages of first person is more than the wages of second person. So, what is the difference here? The difference is 13. But with respect to the second person you have to calculate. See here, the wages of first person is more than the second person. So, with respect to second person you have to calculate. So, 13 is the difference divided by second person, divided by second person. So, that is 13 divided by second person, that is 26. So, 26 means 1 by 2, which is equal to 50%. So, your answer is D, 50%. Very simple guys. Time period they have given, you have to convert those things into efficiency to calculate the wages. Next, how much percentage it is increased with respect to second person. So, 13 is increased with respect to second person I have to calculate. So, second person comes in the denominator. So, 13 by 26 which is equal to half, that is equal to 50%. So, option D is the right answer. Here we have solved 37 set of problems. This 37 set of problems contains all the 8 varieties what I had told in the introductory session. Those 8 varieties, in each and every variety almost we have solved 4 problems on an average, 8 4s are 32 and extra 5 problems also we have solved. So, altogether 37 problems we have solved. Please go through these problems, go through the methodologies what I have used. Whatever the methodologies we have used in this concept, the methodologies are very easy and very simple compared to the other methodologies. Okay, so please practice these methodologies and please take the test series and the subject wise mock test and the exam, as well as go through the study materials and the worked examples whatever we have indicated in our website. Okay, so please practice a lot, because if you practice these 8 varieties of problems, then you can solve any problem related to time and work in the PO level as well as in the SO level as well as in the clerical level. And if you practice max to max, you want 30 seconds to 40 seconds to solve these type of problems, not more than that. Only thing is you have to practice in this manner only. You have to adopt this methodology only. Please don't follow the traditional method. Instead of that, you follow these methodologies so that you can save a lot of time. Go through our website, practice a lot. Thank you.